Welcome back. So my L3600 project, I'm splitting the case right about here and replacing the clutch. In order to split the case, I got to remove the front drive line to the front four-wheel drive. In order to do that, I have to remove these two bolts. This piece slides over this one. And this is just basically a guard from the shaft that's in there. Once this is up here, I drive a pin out somewhere up here. And then I move the whole thing back this way and drive a pin out here. Once that pin's out, those two pins out, this shaft has some room to move on some splines. And then you push it forward or backwards and drop one in and pull it out. And then you're all done with that part of it. So this went easy peasy. I don't know what I did to deserve it today, but I must be lucky. So right there is where a pin was. And you can see by my finger where the other one was. They drove out really easy. You see how I pushed it back there, drove that out. Pulled it forward, drove that out. I had to get like a screwdriver. This was up tight and didn't want to come out, so I pried it a little bit and then it popped out. So I'm just gonna set this on my chest and maybe you'll be able to see it. Now, if you see this, I just slid that off there, and I'll slide this one, and it's dropping down. And boom. It was that easy. I wish the rest of this project was that easy. So here is what everything looks like when I pulled it out and took it apart. So you got the covers right there, the screws that hold the covers on, and you got the main drive shaft, and then you have these splines that slide in and out, and the pins that hold it in place. So there you have it.